Guys, it's been about 8 months since I've been to Valarte. The last time I was here, I was touring with my agent, Roberto Vázquez. Roberto called me the other day and said, Taniel, Valarte is done. They're delivering. People have moved in. All the common areas are finished. This is great news because I have so many clients from the States and Canada that want to move to Puerto Vallarta, but they don't want to wait 1, 2, 3 years for a pre-construction project. With Valarte being completely done, you can move in and enjoy. This is great news. I can't wait to see Roberto and take a final tour. This is beautiful. Everything grows so fast over here. Lovely. And where is Roberto? Okay, Roberto, where are you?
Taniel! Hey Taniel! Good to see you again.
What's up? You're having way too much fun.
Oh yeah, a lot of fun in this project. It's been really exciting being here.
Well, look, a few months ago, this didn't even exist. So you've got the kids' play area. This is great. Now, is this just for the homeowners?
No, this is actually for part of the commercial area. So people visiting the commercial spaces, they can use these areas.
So it's like it's open to the public.
Exactly.
Oh, that's great. The last time I was here, all this commercial space, it was still under construction.
Yeah.
Now it's all done. I want to check it out. Let's see what's here.
Let's go.
Yeah, lead the way. I can't believe in just 6 months, it's all done. That's fast. This is incredible. Wow. Okay, I remember we walked over here last time. All this was under construction. So now we've got this amazing Italian food.
Yeah, it's like more steakhouse and Italian.
Steakhouse Italian, that's awesome. Oh, you've got Japanese food.
Yeah.
So far, 2 of my favorites. That's amazing. Oh wow, so it's got a mezzanine, second floor.
Second floor for, so the first floor is double height. So to give them, the commercial area, the opportunity to have more tables and chairs for the restaurants.
And we even have a sports bar.
Yes, and by the way, the owners, they love coming here to watch sports and play cards.
Well, that's great. Something to do. Oh my gosh, and a bakery. Are they done? Or it's just...
No, they're still working on it. They're just the final details, but they're soon to be open.
Wow, it's incredible. And there's a liquor store.
A liquor store, really nice liquor store.
Can we go in there? This is awesome. Look how organized this place is, and it's so clean. Great selection of wines. This is really nice.
You know what? They have the best selection in tequila.
They do?
Oh yeah.
Where is it?
Right here, this way.
Oh, you're not kidding. Wow.
So they have, of course, all those big brands.
Yeah, look at all this. Gosh, this is awesome. This place is great. You know, Roberto, I've been selling condos for 19 years in Puerto Vallarta. I've sold thousands of them. And the one thing that our clients always say, our buyers are, you know, Taniel, this is a complete change of lifestyle for me. And it's not just a home, but it's really creating a community and having all these commercial spaces like the steakhouse, the sushi, the sports bar, the public park area, and having the liquor store here because everybody drinks and socializes. It offers all of that in one spot, and not even the romantic zone has anything like this.
You know what, Taniel? That's actually what the owners have told me here. People who are really living here, that's what they've been telling me.
Oh, that's great. Yeah. That's good news. Okay, so last time I was here, a whole bunch of common areas were incomplete. So they're done now?
Yes, they're finished. You
all
want to take a look?
I do. Go this way?
This way. Yeah.
Oh, I can't wait. Now, Roberto, I am so impressed. The developer did a splendid job finishing all these common areas and the commercial spaces.
Have you seen the sculpture?
Oh, hello.
That's so hilarious.
This is too cute.
Yeah.
Is that drinkable?
I don't think so.
All right, take me to the lobby. I'll follow you.
Vamos.
This is wonderful.